Good afternoon, it's me again. Now I'm going to a ploughing match tomorrow. It's the North Kent ploughing match at Swanley. So this is Friday afternoon. So rather than come all the way down here tomorrow, pick it all up, take it back to Swanley, what I'm aiming to do is load it up this afternoon, get everything ready, take it home. 'Cause as you know, I live near Swanley anyway. Well, until I get planning for down here, which seems to be going on forever, but there you go. And then I can go straight from there. So join me in this video, watch me load my tractor on it and make a complete fool of myself, but nice of you to come along. And we can hear a Spitfire in the there ain't no glorious sight. Spitfire, like I say, I'm going to load it on the trailer in a minute and let's see how we go from there. Anyway, if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe as usual, and comment down below. Love reading the comments. You know, you can tell me what I'm doing wrong or if I'm doing right even, but it'd be lovely to read some comments. Anyway, shall we get on there? Cheers for now. Right, we're filling it up with TVO now. I ain't got no petrol, so on the way home from here I'm going to try and get some diesel for the car, some petrol. Can't wait for them nice long queues, can you? What a performance. just a quick question. Has all the lorry drivers left their jobs since last Thursday when this kicked off? Or is it me? Anyway. Just in case any viewers don't know, this is Dusty the dog. This is my daughter's dog. We tend to have her a lot more than my daughter, I think, but my wife loves having her, so she likes playing on the fields anyway. Come on, Dusty. Right, I think there's Dusty. Look, say hello, Dusty. Say hello. Right, I think we're in this part of the video now, and see you at the ploughing match in the morning. Now it's forecast for rain. Now let's hope it don't rain all day. Gives a rest break, even if we just got the sun out when we're putting the tractors away. So anyway, just for now, cheerio. Oh, one quick question while I'm here, and if anyone's interested, I'm selling this trailer because I bought another after Williams trailer. If anyone's interested, message me down below. It's a tilt bed trailer, it's a Trident. Have a look at it, see what you think. All the lights are in there, they're rubberized. Spare wheels are all in fine fettle, I think. There is a winch on it and a leg, obviously, and it's got a 16-pin plug on it, so you'll have to have a adapter like I have to if you ain't got a 16-pin thing. Anyway, let's get on the rest of the video now. See you in the morning. Well, good morning. We're at the ploughing match now, and I want to start getting it all off. Just to let you know, I got third at the last time, and at Romney Marsh. Just been handed it by the secretary of the Romney Marsh Ploughing Association. I appreciate that. Come along with my journey today. Cheers for that. Right. Yeah, leave it there, why not? I'll just pull forward in my car, it's alright. That's what I like about ploughing people. They're nice people, aren't they?
They're all good fun, really. How are you keeping anyway, though?
Yeah. You beat me at the last one. You got the first, didn't you? You was first, weren't you? What's your second? Yeah. Who did? Neil? Did he? Oops, for those who. Peter. It's on the floor. start all done, and see how it gets judged, and we go for the 6th furrows then, or 11th furrows. See you in a little while. Well, there you go. I'm not exactly proud of it. Racing for the rain. Very sticky soil, my excuses. So, thanks for coming along anyway. Like I say, a bit disappointed really. But you can only do what you can do on the day, can't you? So anyway, it's just started pouring rain now. I'm going to put the tractor on the trailer, go home. Thanks for coming along. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And comment down below how to make things better, so I need some help. Anyway, see you later guys and girls, thanks for now, bye bye.